Looking at the Markets with David Modell.
Hello and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I wanted to share with you how I like to research stocks, how I like to discuss them with other people, and how I even trade them, how I buy and sell stocks. Because I'm into social investing, I like to check with other people and see what they're saying before I actually invest in a stock. And I also like to do research. I like to look at SEC filings and the latest news and things like that, as well as the macro news, what's going on in the broader markets and economy. And I do all these things, and you can do all of these things as well on an app called Equichat. And you can download this. You can go to equities.chat, like it says right here, or in the link in the description below this video. You can go there and get it. You can download Equichat on the App Store or on Google Play. So stick around, and if you watch this whole video, you might actually see me make a couple of trades on the Equichat app. I think I might be in the mood for some Apple and some Tesla, maybe. So stick around. So let's take a look at the app, Equichat, available at equities.chat, where you can engage in real-time discussions with like-minded traders, connect with or link with your online broker right from the app, stay up to date with headlines for the companies that you follow. You can build that custom watch list, streaming Newswire, get those market-moving press releases, SEC filing alerts, know when they're posting those disclosures, market movers, track the biggest gainers, decliners, and so on. Earnings calendar, very important, what companies are reporting, and that's through the Equichat app, available on Google Play or the App Store. Very cool. Just go to equities.chat and you can download this. You can discuss any publicly traded company. You can trade, connect with your broker to get real-time stock quotes, and manage your portfolio right from the app. But how do you start? You have to download the app, equities.chat. And then you download it, and hey, you can check out the stream, see what people are talking about. All right, this is social trading, social investing. So let's start with, Tesla, all right? See what's going on with, you want to get the quote first of all, see where Tesla is trading, all right? Then you can check it on different time frames, year to date, 1 year, whatever, 1 day, daily charts. Check out the news. What's going on with Tesla, the filings. I also like to check those as well. That's part of my research. And the latest headlines. What's going on with Tesla. You can read the articles, see what people are talking about. Of course, you always want to do your own due diligence, okay? And you can explore, let's try Apple. AAPL, put in the ticker symbol, very easy. And again, we're checking out, what is going on with Apple right now. What are people saying about Apple? We're going to get the quote, let's say. You could also hit that button there and trade Apple after linking up with your broker through the app. Very cool. You can learn about the company in case you don't know already what the basics are. That's okay. Whether you're a beginner or whether you're more advanced, this is an app that you can use, Equichat. Very cool. Or you could just go to the general news. Just check out the latest. What's going on in the economy, in the major market indexes, or just macroeconomic type of news and developments. If you want to check out the stream, great place to start. See what people are talking about. Are people talking about Tesla? Just learn the basics. Add it to your watch list if you want to. And you can build your own watch list. This is customized and customizable. Okay, so there it is, Tesla, right there on my watch list. Let's take a look at Facebook as well. I'm building that watch list, and then check it on a daily basis. See what's going on. Right? You don't have to search through a dozen different websites first to get your chart, and then build your watch list and find out what people are talking about. And just browse and find out what the buzz is. You can build your watch list right on Equichat. Very cool. I've logged in. I want to see if I have any direct messages. Not right now. That's okay. I've got a clean inbox. I like it that way. You can follow other traders that you like. All right. And again, you can send a message to them. This is very, very sociable and social. If you want to be more active, you can. If you want to be less active, if you just want to follow and watch and trade right through the app, that's cool. You can do that as well. We're going to check out the earnings calendar, see what's going on as far as earnings releases upcoming. And then you can, type in, you can use the good old hashtags. You've seen those elsewhere. And you know me, I post a lot on social media, and so I can post right here, right now, and make recommendations or not if you don't want to. That's totally cool. All right. So there you go. Back to the watch list. Looking through, seeing what's going on in the markets. All right. I call this channel Looking at the Markets because I like to look at the big picture, and I like to be able to know what's going on with my favorite stocks right now and what's going on, what's popular, what's buzzworthy, what's the buzz. All right. What are people talking about? People usually don't talk about a stock much unless it's moving, and these are oftentimes the big movers. Okay. But at the very least, they're popular. They're being talked about right now. People ask, what do you trade? I like to trade what's moving. Okay, so these are the market movers. And these are in all the indexes. They're on the NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, the Russell 2000. You got large caps, you got small caps. I like to look for volume. I like to browse around. Sure, I like the large caps. I like your AT&T. I like that kind of thing. I like United Airlines, for example, as something to look at. But I also like small caps as well. The hidden gems out there is what I like to look for. But I want to know what the latest is. So let's say you want to hook it up to your broker. You want to connect it. Okay, cool. Log it in. You want to have, first of all, a trading account through a broker, which I imagine you probably have already. So let's see. What am I in the mood for trading today? Well, right now, I'll start with Apple. I'll take a look at Apple. But before I trade, I want to be informed. So I'm looking at the Newswire. I'm looking at the latest developments and the SEC filings. Because I don't know about you, I don't like to place trades unless I know what I'm doing. So let's go ahead. You know what? Let's place an order right now. What do you say? Maybe buy? Yeah, what the heck? Let's go for it. There you go. All right. Placing live trades right here on Looking at the Markets. But I'm doing it through Equichat. And, my gains have been pretty good. I won't lie to you. All right. I'm not here to brag. But let's take a look at NEO. Let's see. NEO right on the New York Stock Exchange. I'm not just going to trade something. Let's take a look. Should I do it? Should I place an order? Should I buy? You think I should? Should I buy a share? Should I go for it? Yeah, why not? Let's do it. All right. But first, okay, gonna put in my passcode, authentication required, and bam, there it is, okay? I'm making trades right here in the video, so this is not a joke. This is a real app, okay? Really connecting to a broker. So you're an informed investor. You're not just trading just to trade. You're checking, you're making those last minute checks, making sure everything looks good according to your checklist, your watch list. You're discovering new things. Maybe some of those hidden gems in the markets, okay? But as for me, I like to make money as an informed investor, an informed trader, and Equichat is helping me to do that. So there you have it, a quick look into how I like to discover, discuss, and trade stocks. It's very simple. You can do it all from one app, which is Equichat. So I recommend downloading it from the App Store or Google Play. I also would like you to go to equities.chat, type it into your browser, or click on the link in the description below this video. I think you'll really like being able to do all these things from a single app. All right, so I'm going to keep on bringing you these amazing opportunities in the markets to learn, to socialize with your trading, and to trade all in one place. So thank you for watching and listening. I'll talk to you again soon.